Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Guarda Wallet currency using the Guarda mobile application. So let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. Start off by open your Guarda application on your preferred device and then make sure that you are signed into your account. From the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right and scroll a bit down where you can see the local currency option under settings. Tap on it and then select your currency you'd like to change to for your wallet. Soon after you do that, you will be able to update your wallet currency for your Guarda wallet. So it is that simple. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.